Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have ELGATO CAM LINK 4K and today we are going to look what is inside. So as you can see, here we have a box for it. As you can see, we have these cut tapes because I did it earlier. So we can just open it like that and like that. Here, as you can see, we have some other things inside. So let's take it out of the box. We have to do this very carefully so that we won't break the box. And as you can see, here it is. We have here CAM LINK itself, this device. As you can see, it looks like that with the HDMI port and USB type A. 3.0 or 3.1. Let me take this here, and as you can see, here we do have a cable which is here, as you can see, to USB type C. This is the USB type A, and as you can see, this is not only that. Here we do have some papers and as you can see, stickers. This is the ELGATO sticker, and this is the user guide and safety instructions, and that's everything. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.